Hello everyone. Welcome back to our live stream. I hope you can hear me. Let me just check. We are definitely live. Okay, it's working. It's working. Yeah, I just checked it. It's working. Let's start with our video or live stream whatever. So, I am already holding one trade right now. According to the 1 hour time frame confluence, I am holding it. Look at this. So, according to me, there is actually a supply zone here which I'm worried about. So I'll take the trade till here only. And on the 5 minute time frame, I'm just confluencing both the time frames. And according to that now, this is the basics like demand zone from the 1 hour time frame. And what I have noticed here is if you look very carefully, this is a one break of structure, not a 1 hour break of structure, but a 5 minute break of structure. And this then the demand on this, from here I have taken the entry after every sweeps and all everything. Okay, so I have taken multiple conferences. Due to that I have taken this trade. But if you are already following me on Telegram, if you are already following me on Telegram, then you must know already. So we had taken 2 3 trades on this. I had given you many signals. See, look, I had uploaded. So we had done one loss on this. You can see this one was the proper SL which I had done. After that, I took another trade, but I didn't share it here because I don't want to have another loss on this. And so, but that went into profit, so I recovered. But what I did next was this at 12 at night. See, I shared this setup, and in the morning when I checked the setup, look at that. From here we had entered automatically. Here we had covered that, so losses were recovered. Now let's go on with this live stream. Let's make some extra profits. But I had taken this trade as well. Look at this. I didn't share this. Forgot to share it. Okay. So there's going to be, by the way, live stream on I think his channel also. Okay, this was the championship thing, I guess. Okay, he also had an SLD yesterday. Let's see if I can get you guys an entry. Let's see. Let's see if we can go shorts today. Let's see. Because if you see currently price, okay, is making higher highs and higher lows. So we want a strong confluence that says that yes, price is shifting bearish, but it is not. So we want to go for buys again. And for that we need to mark the zone. Okay. On the 1 minute we need to look. Do we have a breakout structure? On this time frame, we need a breakout structure by the way. See, there is no breakout structure right now. If you see there is little no breakout structure, this is not a breakout structure because it has not broken this low. So yeah, we need a proper breakout structure. If we get that, we are going to buy like that. Okay, I'm going to take my entry. I have opened a new account, guys. New account. It currently has $6,000. I guess I cannot log it into my phone. It's dead. Okay, it's a bullish engulfing, I guess. So then I think it's going to go up. Let's just look. See, I think I we have already tested the zone. See, this zone I think has already been tested, so we might be going bearish also. But let's see. Because if you see, we haven't got any breakout structures. So if we get a breakout structure here, I think there are a lot of confluences, a lot of things that can happen now. Either we get a breakout structure here, price continues upward, then here if we get a breakout structure, then there is totally no point of buying, because then we know that price is going to come till here, a little buy it will go, and then again this will go. So let's see what happens. I think you didn't understand what I said, but let's see. But this zone has already been tapped, so we'll not use. No problem. Okay, it might be coming in for a breakout structure. Let's see. Now this is a high to break, but before that it needs to break this candle's low for being an active breakout structure. So let's see. We need to break this and then go up. Let's just see what happens. My stop loss is how much? It's quite big for this. We're going to have a very tight stop loss today. Even if we lose, at least we go for a very tight stop loss. Remember that. Okay, we might be coming for a breakout structure. Let's look under the volume, not wallowing. Clearly, if you see on this, let's just, okay, we cannot see like that. See, if you even see, there are more bearish candles. I just noticed that. But if we look at the volume has decreased for the bearish, and it has earlier increased for the bullish. So now it's a breakout structure. Look at that. So you can see the volume has decreased for the bearishness. So there is a very big chance from this now it's going to go up. But don't take our entries. We will not take our entries right now. By the way, yeah, let's just copy. Okay, yeah, just as I said. Okay, look at that, volume has spiked. But what we need is like this to be a breakout structure, and then price comes back to retest the zone and then goes up. Because that's going to give us a very nice stop loss. Meaning it's going to give us a tight stop loss, not a nice stop loss. Yep. On the 5 minutes also, the bullish candles are more and the volume of the bullishness is higher. Earlier it was more the bearishness, but now there is mostly it's bullish. Let's see what happens. By the way, I am supposed to look on a higher time frame like this. So I should be looking onto here. Now I should be checking. I was looking onto the wrong time frame. Okay. But still I think, yeah, it's same. Zone is same. Pretty nice zone. A lot of consolidation. Let's look. The bias is probably bullish because there is breakout structures. Yeah, it's bullish. Bias is bullish, not bearish. You can see there is a small market shift, I think, in between also. Leave that right now, but this is a breakout structure. Bullish breakout structure. Another breakout structure which is going to happen very soon. Oh, what have I chosen? Okay. This is the high of that candle. So another breakout structure will be here on the higher time frame. So I think we are in good hands with this. Let's just see. Let's see what's happening in Nasdaq. Okay, it's still closed. Yeah. Okay, let's see what happens. Let's see. I mean, it has been bearish for a while now. I think my already how much 1 is to 5 or 6 has already been completed, I think. That is 15. So 15, 30 will be 1 is to 2, 45, 1 is to 3, 60. Already it happened. So that is 1 is to 4, 75. Okay, almost 75. So I'll count that as 1 is to 4, 1 is to 5. Okay, we might get a breakout structure, guys. Get ready for your entries. Where I'm going to give a very nice entry, maybe two trades I will give. So if you cannot take into one, you will be able to take it into the two. It's not a breakout structure. Wait, it's not. No, it's not a breakout structure. You need a very you need a candle closing. We need a candle closing instead. Not you, but we need. We need that candle closing above that zone. We have 22 seconds in that candle closing. Let's see. And it seems like already the zone has been retested. So I think we need to choose a different order block if we get. Okay, this candle might close and might not close above that. It will not. But there are bullish spikes. So I think it will go up. Still not a valid breakout structure. We need another breakout structure. Oh, sorry, candle for that breakout structure. By the way, okay. Again, testing of that zone is getting weaker and weaker. I can feel it. I forgot to put this. And I'm buying my first funded account now. Maybe tomorrow. Let's see. Most probably tomorrow. I'm buying a 5K account. Otherwise, I trade with my life capital. Life, not life. It's a life capital. Let's see if it just goes through this zone. Then we are not going to get a trade in this zone. Then we need to look at another setup. I mean, we have a lot of setups. So I think I can easily get one setup or two, three setups for you today in one trade I can give. See if I just show you my record. We have just gotten one loss trade, which was also on my Telegram, not on my live stream because I didn't go on live stream. Okay, we might get this. Okay, we might get this bigger structure. So this will be your order block if it goes above that because already that order block has been tested. And how many pips this zone is? Okay, we'll get a very tight stop loss 46, 50 or 60 pips. Let's see. See, I'll show you exactly what I'm saying. I'll just show you. Let's take this as our zone. One zone. Okay, one resistance zone. I'll show you what I mean by that. Now look, this is 2, 3, 4 taps and then a false breakout. And when it goes here, we would have entered here. That would have been our target. Our stop loss will be probably above this, meaning this low. So 1 is to 2, 1 is to 1. I think we could have achieved. So we get a lot of entries, but we for that we need, of course, a good strategy. Okay, it has exited above it. I think we might be getting a trade here. It's a high risk trade. It's a very high risk trade. I don't know about this. No. Wait. Has it closed above it? Wait. No, it has not. Thankfully, I didn't enter. I thought it has closed above it. No, it's not. Okay, I think we might need to get another setup. Please do not close below that. Okay, there is definitely bearishness in the market, but our bias should be bullish only according to the 15 minutes. But if you see this inverted pivot or the pin bar candle, yeah, not pivot. Okay, it has closed. It's a full bar candle. Okay. It's a problem for us now. I might need to charge my laptop. Wait, guys, wait a minute. I'll just come in a minute. Just put Connecting the charging and connecting the charger. Okay. Okay, a lot of selling pressure in the market. Okay, this setup is totally gone now. The zone is just gone through. Already swept. So I will show you one more setup which I think might be coming to us very soon. This setup. In this also we are going to be buying. If there is a candle closing above this zone and our stop loss will probably be like this. Target I think we can put easily this or this. Let's see if we can put this, but most probably this will be our final target. We need a candle closing above this zone. So this is a good zone. Let's see. And guys, I don't give like a free telegram or a VIP telegram for you to join like other YouTubers or gurus on this YouTube. I give you everything freely. I'm also preparing one course, as you know, and I'm going to be uploading it very soon. I'm build like making it, not building. I'm just creating it. It takes a lot of time because I have other trades like which I need to share on the Telegram and also others places. Every single trade which I take, I share, but sometimes I'm not able to. But every single trade which I take, I share with you on that Telegram. Why is this bullish? Clearly, it's bullish. Even if it would have taken this zone and this false breakout, we would have gotten a trade. We don't care about the bias here. It's just that is our strategy should work. Okay, right now you don't have to enter. Wait, we need a closing. Let me just remove this instead. Otherwise, people will start taking this. How many people on this live stream? Okay, still nobody. Okay, no problem. I guess people will see they are missing out on something, or maybe somebody is going to come. Totally based on false breakouts. I'll show you. Oh, I think this might be it. This is not our zone. Okay. Let's see. It might just be another sweep. There are double sweeps. Sweeps. Now look at this zone. I will show you one more example in the market. This is one zone. Price has done a sweep here, and see after that continuously down. So it's power of the market, I guess. You just need to understand how it works. This is totally a breakout. Look at the spikes now. I already was in this trade, but I closed it now. When I saw this huge candle, I closed it here. So according to my calculations, it's 15. So I closed here. And earlier I had closed on 1 is to 4, 0.5 I had closed. Sorry, 50%. And other 50 I closed here. So let's see. Still there is a chance market might take off from here. Because on the 15 minutes we are still looking very much bullish. It might just retest this big order block. Maybe. Nothing can be totally like said like that, so we need to wait what happens to the market. If we don't get a trade, that's fine. Okay. I already closed this trade, so there's no problem in that. Thankfully, due to my risk management. But I think I should have taken it till here only. Because I was just hoping for that supply to be touched. But yeah, I should have taken it till here only. So it's 1 is to 4 point something. Okay. That's a good risk to reward, I think. Personally, I think it's a very nice risk to reward. Even though I get 1 is to 20, also I've got many times. Just the other day only I had gotten. Another zone. I forgot which zone this was. Wait, this one, which is this one? Okay, I think this was the 1 hour something zone. Let me check on the. Yeah, I was looking on the 5 minutes, so I think we might get an entry here. Wait a minute. Oh, I had already taken one. Okay, sorry. But I think we can get. Look, if you see this zone, okay, this zone, if you see, we needed. Okay, now that's failed. No, still not failed. Still not. We need two touches here, and then a failure, and then back up, and then we're going to enter. See, there are many things, but let's do the support and resistance only then today. We might get this early. What the heck has happened? Okay, remove this zone. I'll just remove. I'll show you this. Okay, let's see what happens. We just need to wait now. This is a very long stream for me personally because I've done it after so many days. Okay, I just dropped something. We might get a very nice risk to reward in this trade. Let's see. Okay. I think we can get a chance of getting a trade here. Let's see. Waiting. Okay, wait for this candle closing. It should exit. Okay, it's not exiting. Wait for the candle closing. I'm already saying nobody enter. If anybody enters without saying this, then don't come to me saying, oh no, you made us a loss. No. Just remember that clearly in your minds. Okay. I am also opening my trader, that thing. Okay. MetaTrader. Just keep it open. Do not trade anything. Because you can see it's going to take out your stop loss. Just wait. You need to wait. We will make this trade very soon. Just wait. It's very manipulative. I think we can get a trade if you stay very patient. Because if you see, even if we look at this thing, the price is going to definitely give a 50% retracement. Very much. There is a chance. And it might just go past it also. There's a very nice chance. It's going to go continue up. I think it can fall from here, but we're going to do SL's break even here because you can see that's going to be 1 is to 1 for us, right? 0.9, and here we're going to do. Just remember this level, okay? 4435, 4435 around this level. Okay, that's going to be our BE level, but wait, let's just get the trade first. Okay, wait. Let the candle close. Candle closing. Okay, is it closed above the zone? Look, is it closed above it? I'm very much confused. Is it closed? It looks it is closed, but there can be differences on our charts. Okay, let's take it. Let's take it. Let's go. I have taken buy trades. Oh. That's not good. That's not good. Wait, don't take anyone if anyone has taken you can close right now. Because that's going to take out your stop losses. Wait. I'm very much thinking has it closed above that zone or not? It looks like it has closed above. I don't know. No, it's on the same. Okay, it's on the same level. And plus, this zone has to be here. Oh, wow. That's a pathetic thing. Okay, the zone was here. Here. Okay. Oh, okay. See, either this was the zone, but that's probably not. See, this was the zone, I think. Yes, clearly, this was the zone. I'm very sure. Okay, so this was not a trade. If anybody had taken, I had immediately said them to take out. So this was not a stop loss, thankfully. But I'm very confused about this because this can also be a zone. Look at this. This can also be one zone. I'm very confused. Very confused here. See, that's the thing I'm very confused about here. I feel it's a good zone. This one was, oh yeah. So this one was the thing. Yes, already told you that was the support level and all. Because if you see, this is the good zone, but price has not closed above it. Okay, that was a human error by me, not something that market wanted to take out. Let's look at another level, probably. Let's go with this level. It's a very nice level again. Look at this. I think if we get a sweep of this and then we go to the upside, very high chance. Very, very high chance. 22 pips stop loss, and I think we can target till here. 100 pips, it's a very small target. Let's just get it if we can get a chance. See, if I was there, I'd probably just take this. I mean, I'm confused. Should we take this level or this whole thing? I mean, most probably this is going to be the exact level, yeah. Let's take this. We just need a sweep of this and then we need a closing buffer. Because if we look on the 5 minutes time frame, then also we can find this exact same thing. And according to the 1 minute also we can find this. And according to this we can, yeah, we could have traded here, but then we didn't exit above that. So we need to wait until this sweeps this. Just wait, I guess. Or there is another chance, which will make it very much tradable. If there is a sweep here and price closes above here, then you can take the trade. But we need a sweep of this. I'll just come in a moment. Okay, guys, what has happened? Okay, we might be cleared. Okay, we are cleared. Bye, bye, bye. But it's a late entry. Late entry, guys. It's a very late entry. It's very late entry. I would have bought here. My stop loss would be pretty much here. Let's go for this at least. Let's just see what happens. Kept my stop loss here. I think we can. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. We might get another. Wait. Just do your all break even and all that. Okay, because this is not looking like a nice trade. Just do it to break even. Stop loss. Yep, that's according to that. Okay, break evens I think must be it for you. I am going to hold this trade. Let's see what happens to me. Let me just hold this trade. You guys do not hold, okay? If you have already made some profits still here, just take them out. Okay, I might be wrong. Price is going to go up, but break evens might be. Now do not enter. Now wait. If somebody has not got the trade, I'll give you another one. Just do not re-enter. Wait. Let's see with this setup what happens. Okay, yeah, we might be in loss. But I have seen some bullish spikes here. So we might be going bullish. I'm holding, you don't hold, okay? I'll give you another trade if anybody has already gotten out at break even. So now if my calculations are correctly done, then yup, now set it to break even if somebody is holding it. Set SLs to break even. Risk free now. Just do it risk free. Do it to risk free, okay? Minimize your risk as much as you can. Because this trade is till now not looking that nice, but let's see what happens. Yup. Now break evens will be hit, I think. No. Maybe not. Just see what happens. Let's just see. The only thing is going to resist from is this level. Might be. I'm not too sure, but it might resist. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay, now keep trailing your stop loss, okay? Or maybe exit 25% with the stop loss break even. Okay? Just remember that goal. I have exited 75%, but if you want to, yeah, I am holding one position though. Wait, this might be a very much profitable trade. I think we will get this. All right, all right. I'll give you one more trade if somebody has not already got this. Okay. And what I'm going to do? Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. Keep going, keep going. I'm going to expand my TP. Okay, I'm going to expand it. Let's see what happens. It's going, it's going. Nice, 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 nice. I'm going to expand it even more if I can see that or not. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. That's a pretty nice climb. Okay, okay. Nice, nice, nice. Gap up, gap up. Very nice. Now I'm going to exit if it hits my TP, okay? This is going to be our final TP. Yep, done. Close. Closed, closed, closed. I am done for this trade. Not done for the day, but for this trade, I'm done. Yep, very nice trade. Still, if somebody's holding, you can hold. It's up to you now. Yeah, nicely done by me. I cannot record the story. My phone is dead, but I'm trading from my tab. Okay, now I'll give you one more trade. Anyone wants now? Okay. Okay, let me just expand this because I exited here. So nicely done by me. 1 is to 3.5 done. I think break evens were hit in between. I think, yeah. I think in between they were hit, but that's fine. It happened so quickly, guys. I'm very much confused. It happened so quickly. I had gone somewhere. I had gone upstairs actually, and it happened all so quickly. Otherwise, if I was here, I would have entered on this candle instead. Even with my stop loss at half of this candle, wick and everything included. Nice. So now, can we get another one? Let's do with this strategy only another one. But I don't see any supports or resistances nearby. This is one, but it's not like a sweep. It might be. Okay, it might be. Let's see if we can get a buying position here. Okay, if anybody wants to enter, go ahead. I am buying in. Let's see. Not too sure about this trade. It's a high risk trade. Just remember that. It's a very high risk trade. And people who had already made money, please do not take. It's a very high risk trade. Very, very high risk. Very, very high risk. Yes. Okay. Where is that zone actually? And candle is right here. I think from here we might go down. But yeah, let's see what happens. And do not take if any like person who has taken this and is profitable. Do not take that trade then. I am actually going to be confused about this trade because if you see, this does not look like a sweep. So if this goes an SL, I will give in another trade. And that's going to be last trade for this day. Because I don't go more than two. Just remember this. My rule is not more than two. Okay. That is the thing now. Let's see when it's going to break even come. It's going to be a long while till the break even. 12. We want to. Oh my god, it's so high up there. Still 4-1. Right, okay, it's going to 4-2. Let's go up. Okay, I have an idea. Oh, I think it does not like this idea. Now let's see if it does. Okay, it does not like this idea. But I have another idea. And I hope it likes it. Because I wanted to like this idea. Oh, yeah, it likes it. Oh, wow. It's just a joke, guys. We do it for a joke. I mean, I don't like to joke around, but in this live stream instead. But yes, I sometimes need to. And I think it will like this idea. I guess it doesn't, but it has to. Oh, it likes. Okay. And break even is this point, remember? A little lower from it till here. And if somebody is very, very scared, like me, then you can do it at here. Okay, you can do it here. Break even can be here. Now I think if you want, you can do break evens. Okay, put it to break even. I don't want you guys to lose money. Just put it to break even. Even if break even, no problem. Okay, it's break even gone. Break even. I'm holding. Break even gone. I'm going to hold even if it's a loss. No problem. It's for me, but for you, it's break even. Okay. I don't want you guys to get in a loss. But if I see if it goes to break even back, then maybe I can get you guys a re-entry. Maybe. Let's see. Okay, I think we can take again if you want. You can take again if you want at your own risk. It's a high risk trade. Go for it if anybody wants. It's a very high risk trade. I'm already informing. Okay. I am holding it if anyone wants to hold it. Yes. It's a very bad idea to hold this kind of a trade. It's a very high risk trade. Because it's not a sweep. It's definitely a huge move to the downside. It's probably more than 130 pips. It's not like a sweep. It's a very, yeah, very huge move. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Have I done something wrong in marking the zone? No, I have not. Okay, I think it needs this and this. The foot, and I think it maybe needs this to like be doing like this. Yeah, maybe like this. Okay, I think it likes it, but before that, I think I put the zone only incorrect. I think, but now I think it is going fine. Cause I think it's this zone, the whole zone, yeah. Cause it's this zone, yeah. But whatever. So I think now we are in profit. If anybody was holding, my zone was only incorrect. So my bad. But we had taken it here. Why is it just hanging around there? Just go up. Why are you going into loss? It's a very big candle, guys. Very, very big. I'm genuinely scared for this trade. That's why I'm saying it's a high risk trade with less quantity. You should have entered. Okay, I think it's going to be stop loss route. I think, personally. Okay. Yep. If anybody was already holding it, then it's another stop loss. Okay. But I gave you two trades. One trade was this, one was this. I guess I already told you it was a high risk trade, so many people maybe not even one person has taken it. Maybe. Very, very sure. Okay, this is going to be the last trade if we can get. But otherwise I don't think so. We're going to get a trade then. I think many of you have already gotten that break even, so I will not count it as an SL. I will count it as a break even. Let's see now what happens. Now what happens? Let's look. Let's look at the fib. Okay, that zone is the thing. Okay, that's the zone, I guess. Market is making a structure which is literally not able. Nobody can understand this structure. It's such a bad structure. One profitable trade, and we need sweeps like this, not a 100 pip sweep. So I already told you, and I think you guys are already not going to take high risk free like risk trades, right? So I think you guys are smart enough for that. So I'll not count it as an SL. I will count it as a break even. That one. So one break even trade and one profitable trade now. So I think many of you might have not taken, but maybe I don't know. I might be wrong. You might have taken it. Wait a minute. Again, zone marking was wrong. This was the zone. Price did not close above it, so zone marking was my fault. That's fine. And what are these lines, by the way? I don't remember this line. I was going to probably come for this retracement. There's a FVG here, very big FVG. I think it might bounce off here. Yeah, we are doing support and resistance, basic strategy. I don't know. Now you might have understood that, yeah, it works and all that. I think I can get you guys one more trade, and this time let's go with the other strategy, maybe. Do you guys like this strategy only or the other one you want? Let's go with support and resistance only. We are doing that today, so let's continue with it. If we get a sweep of this area, if we get a sweep, okay, like enter here, keep our TPs here, keep our SLs like this, and we are going to at least offer 1 is to 4. All right, we're going to at least offer 1 is to 4. Let's hope. Otherwise, we are going to count this one as a proper SL if we get. But I don't think so we'll get. But till now, we have done pretty nicely. I have done many trades. I'll show you this model. It works. Of course, you have seen it earlier as well. Okay. Okay. That person has also posted. We just need a sweep of this. Let's just get that done. This is going to be last trade in this market right now. Of the day, of course, for me. I am not going to trade anymore. And I don't recommend, if you have already taken this trade, let it be profitable. Just do not trade anymore. Tomorrow, let's see if I come live. I think most probably I'm going to give you guys one more trade, and that's going to be a very short trade, very small SL. Let's keep this week profitable, of course. I've given you one trade. I think now you must be profitable for the week. Yeah, it's pretty less, but let me go to the 1 minute only and then show you, because 1 minute is going to give you the best results. I mean, quickest results, not the best. Best is probably as high as you can go. See, this is a sweep candle. We wait for another candle. Okay, that candle. So I would have probably entered around here somewhere, keeping my SL just below. And I think, yeah, till here only. So that's a 1 is to 2. Let's see if we can go for long again. Okay. Almost TP, almost TP. That was pretty much TP. How come it is left there? See, it works. One more I will show example. It's the quickest results, guys. I'm telling you. I think pretty much in my old one, my zone marking was incorrect. So it does not matter how long this like sweep is, but it does matter. Yes, it does matter. That might be a sweep. We might have to enter short here. That's not that market weight. Can we go? Let's hope for 1 is to 2. Okay. Wasn't that a sweep? It definitely was. Okay, I think we need a good closing. Suppose if I enter on this candle, like about here somewhere, let's just see then what happens. Okay, then the price falls a little bit. I think it's because the liquidity is, oh, wait. Liquidity was closer. I think it's this whole zone will be, or that supply zone. So that's why I think it pushed us. That's why I don't like to trade on the 1 minute. But I'm gonna have to trade for you guys. I would have probably entered right here. Giving my SL here. I will go for 1 is to 2 already done. So I'll go till half of the zone. There we go. Now this is the W. Oh my god. Okay, I guess. That live stream link, okay, it began like that, okay. It's just ranging. Price is doing nothing. I'm very, very confused about this market. How come it is giving such bad results? Not a sweep. Technically, now we need the sweep of this. The new zones. Okay. Okay, we might get this as a sweep. We can get this as a sweep. Okay, I think this will still continue up. Yeah, as I said. Now a sweep of this will definitely. No, that will not definitely happen, but yeah. Or let's just use this, I think. Yep, I would have entered around somewhere here, keeping my stop loss just below the candle. 1 is to 2 is already done. Now let's hope for this. Okay, now done. So this strategy works. I'm already telling you. This also worked, but that zone marking might be incorrect. That's why. Yeah, it was definitely incorrect. A little bit here and there can mess up a lot of things. That's the problem. Let's see if we get this zone right here. Price is bouncing off of here, and if that's another chance of buying here. But otherwise, I started. Let's see, today's history. Let's see today's history. I think I definitely made more. Yeah, I lost less. I made more. Yeah, I made a lot more, but I lost very less. Okay. Today I'm entering with high quantity. Let's see what's happening there. There's a news, I think. I guess there is a news I didn't know about. Oh oh, jobless claims. That's going to. Let's see. My bias is going to be bullish for now. Bearish. Sorry, not bullish, bearish. Okay. It means it should be, but I think it will be bearish. He is also saying bearish, but I also think it's going to be bearish. But we might get a kind of, if it's bearish for USD, then it's bullish for gold, because I think it's going to do sweep of this and then go up like that. So just let's wait what happens. Let's see. I'm not going to take this trade. But yeah, we can put sell stops, I guess. No, but I don't like to put sell stops on three. 2, 1. Done. Now let's see what happens. Candle is bullish. Nice to know that. No, it's bearish. It's bearish. It's bearish. Uh oh, it's bearish. Far. Okay, let me check. Okay, okay. We might get the sweep on that. Oh, oh, I'm muted. Oh, oh, yeah. Now I think we can get a buy trade. Very nice. Let's see what happens. But not right now. Do not take candle closing. Let's wait. And we're going to go like that. Because it's, I think, already New York session going on. Just wait. I think it's going to go up. I think. But it's a news trade. We cannot know anything. I think it's going to be bullish. I'm going to buy. I have bought a lot. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I bought a lot. It's going to be bullish, I think. Pretty much is going to be bullish. I'm going to start exiting a little bit because I don't want to open that many lots. Alright, but I think it's going to stay bullish. So nothing can be said about that, but yeah, you can see that. Look at that. It's going up. Told you it's going to be bullish. Then this is going to be the final trade. Okay. After this, no trades. Nice, nice. Rocket launcher. That's why I think it's going up. Two profitable trades. If anybody lost in that trade also, there you go. Profit for you. Do break even now. Do not lose this opportunity now. I am already exiting half and putting it to break even. Mine is break even, put to break evens now. Because I already made you money now here. Because it I think will come down now. So just put break evens. Okay, because I think it's already 1 is to 1 already is done. 12 and then 12 where yeah 1 is to more than 1 is to 1. So 1 is to 1.5 I think. So if anybody lost there you go, you recovered that back and a profitable trade given by me. There you go. So I think you now have gotten this trade and understood that yeah, my strategies do work and everything that I say sometimes does work and sometimes does not. Well, that depends on my analysis. I don't know what I'm saying. And if the people who had lost there, please exit it here only. Please, if you did not, then I don't know what you have done. And break evens must be triggered because that's the liquidity resting there. Yeah, it will not go more. It will not go now. Now it's going to be bearish, okay? So just it's going to be bearish now. See, I'm giving you so many trades. Now look, it's going to be bearish. How? Sweep of these two. This high sweep of that is going to continue now. I hope so. That's a bearish one. So this was bullish. Caught that trade. You made money, right? That was 1 is to something. Caught that trade. 1 is to 3 around that. Forgot to exit one lot. No problem. Now I think we can sell here. Sell, 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 sell. Let's see what happens. I am selling, you don't. Okay, because of course you cannot enter just like that in the market. You need a perfect entry. I'm just entering like that. So see, it can definitely take out. I'm just closing now. Nice. It's going to go down now. But it didn't mean for it to go down like that. Just opened 0.02. I had just opened that. Okay. Okay. So today I have gotten you two profitable trades. Now see, guys, I cannot get you in this. I will tell you what happened. Now, if you see the liquidity was too close, I cannot give you a kind of trade which has liquidity as too close. See, if I would have even taken this trade, genuinely I would have taken it till here only. Because this was the liquidity, but I kept chasing. I exited here only, if you know. I exited here only. Remember that. See, this was around this 0.09 and this was about 27. I exited late, so I exited around here. So I exited 1 is to 3. And I gave you this profitable trade because the liquidity was very close. And this is going down now. And if anybody has already done this trade, very, very nice. Now while we exited out of this as well. I know my execution is a bit bad. I just know that. My execution is really bad because I enter late every single time. I don't know why, but I enter very, very late. And see, I didn't even notice that I could have gotten another trade opportunity here. I'll show you guys how. Look at that. Sweep of that. And by the way, entry would have been here. Target will be here. That's the liquidity line. Still, if anybody is holding, there's a chance of this. I think now I have given you enough trades. So, see, even if you have taken that trade, look at that now. Even if you would have taken that, suppose one trade that was profit for P. Second trade which I gave, if that was probably B or SL for someone. So then third trade which I had just given, this one, okay, that would be P. Fourth one which I've just given right now must be P for you. If you had taken or not, I don't know. I think because that last trade many of you will not take. I know. So four trades I have showed you. Now if you've taken any two of them, that's nice. I've taken probably four of them. I've taken in one I did loss. I recovered that back and I made profits in the other. So I don't know how you have done it now. So yes. So that's it for this live stream. This was a definitely profitable live stream, I think, because this was the first profitable trade which I got you done. Then I thought like I will give you one more, but instead we got stopped out here and I lost like $5 around that. Then I made you guys recover that. I made 15 here, and then here I had made 25. No, not 25, sorry. 55, and here I had entered here, closed here, and I had made 5, around 5.37, around that. So yeah, this was, I will not count this trade. Fourth one I will not count. So I think that's it for this live stream, and I think we all are now profitable. I think a lot more we are profitable. This trade profitable very nicely. This trade very nicely profitable. I gave you profit here very nicely. Recovered the loss plus profit, and here if you were already entered profit, and yes. Where's the second trade then? Wait. One, two. Then which was the fourth one? One profitable here. Oh, okay. Because that was here. We entered here. Stop loss was pretty small, so we didn't lose much. And profitable here. Profitable here. See, our zone was probably somewhat here. I think I entered around probably here, I think, and I kept my stop loss like here. Kept my target of course here 1 is to 2 at least I keep. That's what I kept. Yes, you remember. My stop loss was just 40 pips, which we got SL out in. Here I made you guys profit of 200 pips. Here I made 77 pips. So I think we are, I think, definitely profitable for the day today. Tomorrow I'll come live. If anyone is still in loss, I think nobody is. But so yeah, tomorrow also we'll give definitely profits, no losses. And I think this was, I will not count this as a loss. We recovered it. And also, by the way, this was not a proper lesson. It's my error, and it was a BE for many people. So break even. That's it. I held it only, so it was loss for me only, but not for you. So done. No loss today, I guess. And yep. Now sweep of this. I think again it will fall. Yep. I think yep. It's falling. Told you. Yep. I had made one position, guys. I cannot miss this, but yep. I had made one position here, like a quick scalp. I had made one trade here as well, just right now. This will be the last trade. So now I think profitable. Guys, now I think you are profitable, right? Cut the trades if you have made profit till here. Cut the trade. Fourth trade. P. And now profitable for the day. Now close your everything, laptops and everything. Close everything. Go to bed. Sleep. Just that. Profitable for the day. Nicely done. I'm also gonna exit. Close position. Okay, okay. Okay, I have also done for the day with the profession, all that. I'm happy, and probably it's going to still continue down. I think so. Fourth also profitable. I mean, it was quick scalps, of course, on the 1 minute. Not very nicely done, but yes, today a lot more profitable. I'm going to keep this window open. I'm going to mute myself, and as this trade goes, I'm going to cut the live stream. Yup, it's going to go down. I think. Yeah, it's going to go down. Going, going, going. Nice, nice. Just a little left target, but I think it's full TP. Now definitely fourth trade is profitable. I am done for the day. I will not make any more trades now. Okay, goodbye guys. See you tomorrow. And today was profitable. No SLs. Most probably you will already. You guys must have exited in that. I already told you Iris, so you would have exited. And yeah, many of the trades profitable. I mean, that's 75% win rate right there. One also because I thought that was a sweep, but that was of course not. Marking was done incorrectly. I figured out what is my thing, so we'll improve it. See you in the next one, and profitable as always. Goodbye.